Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to edit your drop-down lists. Let's get started. First, I would like to show you what we did on our previous video on how to make a drop-down list. We can see that we are asked when is your birth month and we are given multiple months as choices. As for the question, are you excited for your birthday? We have two options, which is yes or no. What if, for example, we change the question for the first one into which is your favorite birth month? Now, since we changed the question, we have to limit the choices. And to do so, we have to edit it. It is actually quite simple. First, just click on the cell that contains the drop-down list. Then, go to Data and click on Data Validation. Once you go ahead and click that, go to the Settings tab and click on the source. Once you click on the source, you will be led to another spreadsheet. This is where we are saving our list of months. Since in the question, we are only being asked on which birth month that we like the most, we have to limit the choices into the last 4 months. To do so, let's just overwrite the source by selecting all of the source and selecting our new one by dragging from September to December. And there we go. Once we click OK, we are led back to our first sheet and we can see that there are only 4 choices left. As for the second question, we can also do the same by going to Data and clicking on Data Validation. We can see the list of possible choices for the drop-down list. Since this isn't like what the previous one was, where we are led to another spreadsheet, we have to approach this differently. Since we are given a direct list of terms, we can just insert another term if we want to add more. Just be sure to separate with a comma before you add your new word. For now, let's add the maybe choice and press OK. Now, we are given 3 choices which would satisfy what we want for this video, which is how to edit your drop-down list in Microsoft Excel.